Alright guys, so let's proceed further. Let's talk about the upgrading and patching of virtual infrastructure. It is very important that you keep your system up to date so as to prevent attacks like ransomware, virus, trojans, stealing of company data, compliance as well, because particularly in enterprise environment where you have to comply with the regulators to ensure that your system is up to date and is being patched as at when due. Guys, just to let you know that I have a full course on Udemy on VMware vSphere. So if you're interested in learning VMware vSphere, you can actually enroll in the course. It's for beginners to advanced. And I will leave the URL in the comment below. Thank you. Application itself and many more. So in this tutorial, we're going to focus on vCenter and AXSI. So patching and upgrading can be either minor or major. Major is like you are moving from one release version to another, maybe from version 7 to version 8, while minor may be within a particular version for vCenter exercise. So as you can see at the bottom part here, this is vCenter. This is the progress of tasks ongoing, downloading patches. Initiator is a VMware Lifecycle Manager, downloading patches. So it's also very important that your vCenter has connection to the internet so that it can download patches. Here is the flow. Always upgrade your vCenter first before any other virtual infrastructure. You can now go ahead to update your EXSI and VM tools on the virtual machines. So to upgrade vCenter, you can use the option of installation media to actually upgrade your vCenter. This is menu on installation media when I try to install vCenter. So this is the option I'm going to use in this tutorial, reduce downtime upgrade. This was introduced newly by VMware to actually reduce downtime of patching vCenter. So this is basically for vCenter that is self-managed, Taxstone, EXSI, and the rest. So I will leave the URL for more details in the course resources. So to upgrade vCenter via RDU, you have about 5 major steps to be completed. First, you need to mount the ISO and also ensure you take backup of your vCenter. Then the plugin will be upgraded as well. Then you are going to go ahead to configure target appliance as if you are setting up a new vCenter. It's going to be like a temporary vCenter. Then you can now go ahead with the upgrade. Then switch over. As you can see the flow here. Pre-upgrade, check. Then after successful upgrade, you can now decide to switch over. As you can see, the pre-upgrade is completed. Then switch over. So to switch over to the newly set up vCenter, then you log in. Voila. So that is for vCenter. Now let's talk about upgrading the host. We are going to use VMware Lifecycle Manager to upgrade the host. So on the update menu, we have the option of actually carry out pre-check on the system to actually confirm if your system are actually compliant based on what you have already set in your Lifecycle Update Manager, maybe to a particular baseline. So the system will check against it. So, and also you can stage it and also go ahead to now remediate. So as you can see, this is a pre-check. It has identified that there is need for the exercise to be upgraded. You can see all the non-compliant hosts. So you can now take decision to actually upgrade by taking action. So in the process of pre-check, you can encounter this error. For example, that if a VM has a CDN attached to it, as you can see on the screen. So you need to fix the error before you can proceed further. So after pre-check, if there's no issue identified, you are going to see no pre-check issue found. That means you can now go ahead to patch your XSI host. Then you begin the remediation to start. Then the flow is just like you normally do it manually. It will migrate the VM on a single host to another host. Then put the host in the maintenance mode, carry out the patch, bring back the host, move the virtual machine back to it, and the rest. So the process is actually automated. It's just for you to relax and watch as the progress is ongoing. As you can see, migrating VMs, patching, and the rest. So you're going to see this in action. So as you can see, after the upgrade, no compliance. So we're going to see this playing out in our implementation. So guys, so let's go ahead to patch the system, starting with vCenter. See you guys in the next video.